Hope you guys enjoy this stadium seating tutorial. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. What is up, guys? Today we are doing a DIY on how to build a platform in your media room, or if you're converting a bedroom, how you can put a platform in there. So first thing, as you saw, what we did was cut back the carpet. We decided how big we wanted this platform to be. We cut out the space for this carpet, and then I slit this end back a little bit so we can put in a stair here. So yeah, we're gonna start by building the frame. So we'll show you everything you need and how to secure the bottom plates to the floor and everything. So let's get into that. So right here we have everything we need. We've got the compressor, our nail gun. If you don't have you know, the funds or means to get a compressor and nail gun, because these are $300-400 combined, you can go ahead and use decking screws. That would work just fine. The piece you do need is this Ramset gun right here. They make $30 ones. This is an $80 one that actually has a trigger and shoot into the ground. This is to secure the wood to the concrete. So if you have a second story room, you're fine. You can screw straight into the floorboard. That'll be okay, or nail straight into it. But in this case, we have concrete. So if you have concrete, you'll be needing that gun, the 22 caliber shells, and 2.5-inch nails. Give it done. With the Ramset gun, you open up your chamber, pretty straightforward to use. You put a bullet right there, put a 22, make sure it's lodged in there well. Go ahead, close your chamber, make sure it stays down so that bullet stays in place. Stick your nail in, push it all the way in. So yeah, I forgot to mention, on the Ramset gun, you want to line it up, but you want to press down pretty much as hard as you can so you can make sure that that nail sinks. Just like that. Whoa, I was not ready for that. I told you, teleportation, I need a manual or something on this thing. Anyway, all right, what's up, guys? Warren, Divine, I'm back. All right, so now we're gonna get into the next step of the platform here. We are gonna be toe nailing in our boards. So basically, you know, you're gonna put two on the edge here, just like this. And then we're gonna put another board right here. That way we can span across and we'll just toenail these sides in. So let's get started with some toenailing. And then we'll put the headers on each set of boards here. And this is gonna create a super rigid platform.
All right, so in order to toe nail in, you're gonna need a framing nailer like this. You know, these are, this one's about 200 bucks. You can get some more affordable ones out there. You can get them on Craigslist, something like that. You could also just use a framing hammer and like a 3-inch nail, something to be able to kick it, but it's gonna be a little harder to hold. If you don't have access to one of these guys, I would recommend using something like some decking screws. I'd recommend using something like some decking screws and just screwing them in on an angle. So for now, we're gonna go ahead and use our framing nailer. We've got the PSI set around probably about 100.
Alright guys, so I originally planned for a two-seat so we could still use the closet, but the client decided he did not want to use his closet anymore. So we're extending this so we can add a third seat. Alright guys, so I got our plywood right here. I'm starting our first piece. So I'm gonna cut this niche out here in the corner. I'm gonna overcut it actually. So I'm cutting it all the way out to here because our platform's about 100 inches and I want the last piece to be solid on multiple pieces of wood instead of being like a little 2-inch piece. So I'm gonna cut this piece down first. When you buy this plywood, make sure you get the tongue and groove, and it's flooring. So it's like 3/4 inch tongue and groove. That's so they can stick. The tongue can go into the groove of the next one. All right, cool, let's get that cut. All right, guys, we got the first piece cut here. So next, what I like to do, for you guys at home, I don't necessarily always do it, but I do like to mark it out. So where your screws are, in our case is nails, we're gonna nail through this line. Same way you do if you're doing sheetrock or whatever, just so you don't miss that stud, because if you miss it a little bit, the platform could creak. So we're gonna nail this first piece in, and then we'll go ahead and bring our other two pieces in, get them measured out, hack off that side, and then we're gonna cut a clean line across the front so we can get that little 1.5-inch LED loop. You know? Yeah. Alright guys, whole top sheet is all now on. We brought in this 1/2-inch ply right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 1/2-inch ply, I got my first cut measured out, and I'm going to cover up the whole front face of this with that 1/2-inch. So I'm going to come up to this outlet, I'll cut the outlet out, go around that side, around all the sides. All right, guys, we are 100% finished with the platform build. So the platform's all done here. Warren's just gonna go ahead and put his carpet pad down and then do some carpet seaming and get the rest of all the carpet laid on this guy. So yeah, this is the final step, and honestly, I think the hardest, so I'm letting the big guy do it. Keep it going. Center. All right, now we're toning out all the speakers, got all our lines run. Mercedes is putting a tone to all of them, and I'm gonna give her a heads up on what is what. Warren is finishing up his carpet seams here. Surround left. So yeah, typically we have all the equipment so we can do proper carpet seams. We got the tape and the iron gun and everything. We recommend, if you're at home, either just using a staple gun to just put it back together, or actually just hiring a carpet guy, because it's a few $100s worth of stuff just to get your carpet done. Yeah, for those of you who do have the carpet stuff or plan on getting it, or you want to do some do-it-yourself stuff, we will show you the carpet seam on this guy right here. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you build stadium seating in your home theater in your house. So stick around, check out the rest of our channel. We've got a lot of cool how-tos and a lot of cool installation videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.